All right, this is our third video in the series on different Convertbloom apps. In this video, we will tell you about Eventsuite. So the first things first, you log in, you click on My Apps to get into your integration pages where you see all the apps you have access to. This is Email Suite, Landing Suite, Client Suite, Social Suite, Web Suite, SEO Suite, Event Suite, Help Suite, and Store Suite, and so on and so forth. Today we'll talk about the Event Suite. You can also access the documentation here. There is more documentation. Of course, there are some documentation available here on email marketing and social media marketing and e-commerce. There is some more available at desk.descato.work as well. If you go to the knowledge base, you can see some of our additional documentation available here. For example, and no, there is nothing in client suite. Yeah, it's still being populated. So, for example, in CRM suite, we have populated some articles and so on and so forth. What are the features available in admin panel that you can use? What are the different features available in CRM suite and so on and so forth, right? So today, again, going back, we're going to the event suite. So just click on go to events. It'll take you to the events pages. It's taking a little bit of time today. Okay, so first things first. Dashboard shows uh, you know different types of events, the registered guests, the joint guest views, events, and so on and so forth. A nice looking dashboard. My events is where you can create an event, right? So we'll work on some of the events that we have created. So let's take one, right? So it has to be typed online, then only it will be visible. Otherwise, it will not be visible, right? So this one shows event has expired. Why does it? So event registered date, event has expired because the date had not changed. So you can change the date to 23rd. So it'll, again, active. Similar to the form or the convert landing page suite that you saw, provide some of the basic details, but here you can provide the webhook URL in the basic details page. You can provide the Sendsuite ID. This will link you to your, the Convertbloom Sendsuite link list, right? So if you have a list, you have to add that. The API will be automatically synced. It's just the Sendsuite list ID has to be synced here. You just have to provide the number and everything else will get synced. Again, you just have to provide. So you can provide a short slug here. There will be something random that will get generated. But if you can also add custom fields here, you can add tickets to sell and add a currency for that. You can provide an email where they will be notified. You can also add custom domains here. You can add ACO details, and you can work on the theme design a little bit here, right? So by providing background themes, fonts, currencies, and so on and so forth, right? So you can also provide the custom code header and footer where you can add your Facebook pixel or Google Analytics pixel and so on and so forth. You can also add, we'll show you our marketing suite provides different codes for you to track, for example, track analytics or create heat maps, etc. That also you can add here. So that's a basic view uh, of how to use the events app.